Manufacturing success is not determined by how much you produce. It's determined by how efficiently you can transform customer demand into finished products. But when production planning, inventory, procurement, and shop floor operations operate in separate systems, manufacturers spend more time fighting shortages than focusing on growth. The question is your production process driving profitability or creating operational chaos? For many manufacturers, sales teams commit to delivery dates without visibility into production capacity, while planners struggle to balance customer demand and machine availability. Managing bills of materials and production schedules often relies on spreadsheets and manual calculations. A small change in demand can disrupt the entire production plan. On the shop floor, organizations frequently lack real-time visibility into work in progress, machine performance, and quality issues. Production delays are discovered too late. The result? Material shortages, production bottlenecks, excess inventory, rising manufacturing costs, and delayed customer deliveries. Introducing ERP2ALL, Production Process Management Module, a comprehensive manufacturing solution designed to connect every department within a single integrated platform. ERP2ALL automatically generates production orders from demand while performing real-time MRP. Raw material requirements are calculated instantly before shortages impact production. Production planners gain powerful scheduling tools with visual Gantt charts and load balancing, maintaining optimal production flow across multiple lines. On the shop floor, barcode and mobile-based reporting provide real-time visibility into material consumption, machine utilization, and overall equipment effectiveness. Integrated quality controls ensure inspections are performed at critical stages, while ERP2ALL calculates actual production costs and captures material and labor variances. Manage subcontracting, multi-site production, and finished goods receipts seamlessly, all while maintaining complete visibility into performance and operational efficiency. No more manual MRP, no surprise shortages, and no blind spots. Just smarter planning, optimized production, lower costs, and on-time customer deliveries. Transform production management today. Schedule your personalized ERP2ALL demonstration and build a more agile and profitable manufacturing process.